All right, today we're going to do a tour of the Coachman Encore 29 SS. This is a Class A, and this is for Alan, one of our subscribers. He was wanting us to film this, so this one's for you, Alan. See, Jen's already made her way to the comfort zone here. Alright, so looks like it's got a nice couch here. It's got the dinette side. Alright, you got a nice kitchen here. You got a double sink. You got some drawers. Some under the sink storage. A few cabinets up top.
Not a lot of storage, but
it's only 29 foot though.
That's true. You got a little closet.
Alright, let's see. Oh, okay, like a little coat closet.
Yep.
And you got, ooh, nice bathroom.
Yeah, bathroom's pretty nice.
You got some storage there. Your skylight. Shower.
Is it an accordion shower?
It's like a sliding plastic type of thing. That's kind of cool.
That's kind of cool.
Huh, different.
RV fridge.
Oh, RV fridge. There you go. Freezer. It's even cold. Woo. A little control panel here for all your stuff and things. Some more storage.
Closets.
Got your bed back here. Ooh, that's a nice big old closet right there. Lots of different storage back here.
Yeah.
So I guess that's like a his and her closet because there's one on each side of the TV.
And they got all this. I'm wondering, there's got to be storage outside because this bed is really high. Is there storage underneath the bed, I wonder?
I don't know.
Yep.
Yep, storage underneath the bed too.
It looks that way. Yep.
Oh yeah. Not too shabby. Here's the cockpit. So you got some leveling systems over there.
You could, like, eat lunch, work on something.
Yeah, it's got like a little laptop desktop thing.
Cup holders.
And then this is a bed as well. This thing that'll come down as a bed.
I would think so.
I like this light. I like this window above the door. That's kind of cool. It brings in a lot more light.
It does. Second battery here. Change the battery.
All right, got some storage right there. Much more there.
Outdoor TV.
Outdoor TV, nice. That's always a plus. Ooh, and a little outdoor kitchen area.
That's what's underneath the.
Yeah. So you got the fridge.
I wonder what this is. Just more storage. And then.
There you go. There's more storage there. Alright, well that concludes this tour. Hope you liked it, Alan. And stay tuned for more tours here from the Florida RV Supershow.